A dictionary is a built in data structure that stores a collection of key value pairs. Dictionaries are also known as associative arrays or hash maps in other programming languages. You can create a dictionary by enclosing comma separated key value pairs within curly braces with each key value pair separated by a colon. You can access values in dictionary by using the corresponding key inside square brackets. Dictionaries are mutable, so you can modify the value associated with the existing keys. So I have updated the age key with the value 40. Initially it was 32. Now the value is updated to 40. You can add a new key value pair to the dictionary by assigning a value to the new key. Currently, we have name, age, and role keys in this dictionary. I want to add another key called department with a value consulting. So we can simply add it like this. The updated dictionary would look like this with four keys and values. And to delete a key, you can use the keyword del. Del employee age would delete this key from this dictionary. So the result would be just name, role, and department. To get the number of key value pairs in a dictionary, we can use the method length. Since we have three key value pairs, name John, role consultant, department consulting, we see the output of length as 3. We can retrieve a list of all keys or values in a dictionary using keys and values methods respectively. You can iterate over the keys or key value pairs of a dictionary using loops. We will discuss these loops in the upcoming sections. Dictionaries are widely used for various purposes, such as storing, retrieving data based on a specific key. They are efficient for lookup operations and can handle large amounts of data. Dictionaries provide a flexible and convenient way to organize and manipulate data in Python.